Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make engaging popsicle videos. First, select a delicious popsicle recipe that will look great on camera. Gather all your ingredients and necessary equipment, like molds and sticks, before you start filming. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient shooting process, making your video creation much easier and more enjoyable for viewers. When filming, good lighting is crucial to make your popsicles look vibrant and appealing. Try shooting from various angles to keep your video dynamic and engaging for your audience. Don't forget to get close-up shots of important steps, such as pouring the mixture or adding fruit, to clearly show the process. After filming, it's time to edit your footage into a cohesive story. Arrange your clips in a logical order, ensuring smooth transitions between each step. Adding some upbeat background music can significantly enhance the viewer's experience. Consider including text overlays for key ingredients or helpful tips, making your instructions even clearer. Finally, prepare your video for sharing. Design an attractive thumbnail image that entices viewers to click. Craft a clear and descriptive title that accurately reflects your content and includes relevant keywords. Once everything is ready, share your cool popsicle video on your preferred social media platforms to reach a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.